We have CNN News 18's editor East Kamalika Sen Gupta joining us on the broadcast. Kamalika, very good morning to you. We can clearly see these two accused there in the CCTV footage. What more details do we have about the hotel as well as their duration of stay in this particular hotel and the name they used for it as well?
See, we are right now in that hotel where they were putting up in Iqbalpur in Kolkata, and this is the CCTV footage. Here you can see the first footage where you can see that they are coming. They are coming from this and they are entering here, and here they are, they are taking this, they are filing, they are giving this affidavit and they are giving this ID card, and here they are actually talking to the people and talking in the counter, the same counter where right now I am standing. See, clearly both of their faces are seen in this footage. This is both, and they are talking. They came here on 25th March, and this is an exclusive footage which we are having now. Please see that they are talking to the people, to the person who is there in the hotel reception. And see this footage again. Would like to show you that here they are talking. They came here on the 25th of March, and they stayed for 3 days. The room number was 203. भैया आप थोड़ा अगर इधर आइएगा, ये बताइए कि जब ये लोग कब आए थे, क्या मतलब क्या बोले थे जब वो आए थे?
25 तारीख को जब आया वो आके हमको बोल रहा है जो हमको रूम चाहिए। हम तब पूछे जो क्या पर्पस में, बोल रहा हम लोग टूरिस्ट है, महाराष्ट्र और कर्नाटक से लोग दोनों आया था। तो टूरिस्ट है तो वो उसका आधार मांगा तो आधार दिया, आधार में देखा जो नाम वही है, फेस भी देखा तो सेम फोटो है। तो
क्या नाम बोला था?
थोड़ा देख के बोलना पड़ेगा।
25 March, you can see that he's trying to find out from the hotel register. What he's saying is,
अजमल कुलकर्णी
see,
बताया था।
Ajmal Kulkarni is the name. Anmol Kulkarni, and Usa Srinivas. These are the two names. They say they came from Maharashtra and they will be actually staying here. कितने दिन रहा?
3 दिन रहा है इधर।
अच्छा,
हाँ।
तो जब 3 दिन रहा तो क्या पेमेंट कैश में किया?
हाँ,
था?
पेमेंट कैश में किया।
अच्छा, और 3 दिन रहने के बाद में जब वो चला गया, कोई मतलब क्या करता था यहाँ पे, मतलब रूम में
क्या कर रहा था हमको कैसा पता चलेगा? रूम के अंदर तो मेरा कैमरा लगा हुआ नहीं है।
हाँ।
वो आता है, बाहर निकलता है, खाना खाता है, फिर अपना रूम में चले जाता है। अब रूम में क्या कर रहा है तो वो तो हमको पता नहीं है।
पर एकदम शांत नेचर का।
हाँ, एकदम नॉर्मल जैसा गेस्ट लोग आता है वैसा ही था। आया, जैसा उससे आधार मांगा तो आधार दिया हमको, और आधार लिया, फिर पेमेंट मांगा तो पेमेंट हमको कैश किया। करने के बाद जैसे नॉर्मल बात करके जाता है रूम में तो रूम में चले गया। फिर उसके बाद लगेज रख के फिर खाना खाने गया, खाना खाने का आने के बाद फिर रूम में रह गया।
आपको कैसे पता चला कि ये मतलब?
जब यहाँ मेरा पास जो पुलिस लोग आ गए, इंक्वायरी कर रहा था, फुटेज
कब आया पुलिस?
4-5 दिन पहले आया।
अच्छा।
हाँ, तब फुटेज वो ले रहा था। वो हम लोग समझ रहे तो अभी तक समझ रहे थे साइबर क्राइम है। कल पता चला जो इतना बड़ा वो लोग कांड किया।
आप मतलब सोच भी नहीं सकते?
हम लोग देख साइबर क्राइम हो सकता है, जो अभी हर जगह साइबर क्राइम हो रहा है। उसका बाद पता चला जो इतना बड़ा कांड किया। ऑफिसर तो आज सुबह मेरा यहाँ से चेकआउट करके गया।
अच्छा, कौन मतलब जो पुलिस ऑफिसर थे?
पुलिस ऑफिसर कल
अच्छा।
आके वो रूम लेके यहाँ ही थे।
अच्छा, जो NIA ऑफिसर वो यहाँ पे रूम लेके थे, ये आज सुबह चेकआउट करके गए। दादा, आप और भी अगर मतलब आप तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते हो क्योंकि आधार कार्ड दिखा देंगे तो कैसे होंगे। तो ये दिस इज द स्टोरी। अनमोल कुलकर्णी एंड अनमोल कुलकर्णी एंड योशिया शाहनवाज, दिस वाज द नेम। Again would like to show you, see whoever came here on 25th March and they were talking to the reception person who was in reception, and we have with us, we spoke to this person, and NIA was putting here, we spoke to Mr. Asghar Hussain who is here in the reception, and he said that NIA officers, they stayed here and did the investigation, and then yesterday he came to know that such a big they were such a big they have done such a big thing, they are such big accused in Rameshwaram blast case.
Right, Kamalika, we'll request you to please stay with us. We'll come back to you for more updates from that hotel. But right now, Ritu is also joining us live on the broadcast straight from Koramangala, where the accused will be produced before the custody and before the court as well. Ritu, now in the hunt for the others in this particular matter, specifically the ISIS angle, how far has the NIA reached in terms of the incriminating evidences that have been collected against these two accused so far?
Well, you see, all that crucial evidences so far that has been collected by the NIA officials, whether it's about the electronic devices, their cell phones as well, and the kind of ATM cards that were there, actually these accused were also using it. All this will play a very crucial, role in this investigation process. But however, first let me just tell you that I'm in front of the judicial block in the Koramangala, where both the accused Shazib and Abdul Mateen Tha will be produced here, where that I am learning that NIA a legal team is already here at this spot right now, and any moment that we will see these accused actually entering this block, where the NIA is going to seek the custody of these both the accused for their further investigation. But so far we do know that how there were different details that both these accused had used it, whether it's about the kind of false identities that they have tried to use. You see all the surnames, whether it's about Patel, Agarwal for that matter, and the other names as well. It's a very becomes very clear as well that the Hindu identity card was actually used. Remember, the similar pattern was also seen in the Mangalore cooker blast as well, where the main accused Sharik had forged his identity, wherein again he had used a Hindu identity card as well. So yes, that becomes a very difficult as well during the NIA investigation, because not one but multiple identities in similar manner were actually used by these accused. So it took them almost 42 days for the officials to actually reach that final destination, to see that where these guys were actually residing, taking shelter in the different hotels in the Kolkata therein. But now, however, you see both of them actually belongs to Tirthalli in the Shimoga. Now Tirthalli has always been under the radar. Now these two accused were actually been under the radar since 2020, in fact, because remember in the IA Hind Bengaluru module case as well, the officials were searching these accused. They were mentioned back then as well, and as in the accused in that case, and then next we did see them being mentioned in the Shimoga ISIS module case as well. Remember in Mangalore graffiti case as well, both of them were mentioned as an accused. They were still on run, and then moreover that took them to the Mangalore cooker blast. And now finally that we did see recently on March 1st, when the Rameshwaram Cafe blast took place in Bengaluru's Whitefield, leaving 10 members injured now. But however, you see the arrest of the Abdul Mateen Tha will really play a very, very important role for the NIA officials, because he was actually seen as in the main handler all this while, for that matter, in the ISIS Shimoga module, in the cooker blast as well, in the Mangalore graffiti case as well. So now the NIA officials are trying to look after the different handlers who are actually functioning from the different parts of the out of the country. In fact, now what we are also given to understand is that there are different handlers who are actually functioning from the Syria as well, from Iraq as well, because there has also been a tremendous pressure on the ISIS to actually leave the country out immediately therein. But however, you see they are trying to spread their wings as well globally, to see that they can actually still control to operate through these different cells, for sleeper cells, that way that they can take up their different missions in that way. But however, you see all of these accused are of age of 30. Now this very becomes clear that how these youngsters were actually a clear target as well. And now, but more importantly, during this investigation, the NIA officials will try and understand that what was their main motive as well, because in Mangalore cooker blast we did see them the Sharik's clear target was a religious place therein, and we did see that whole image coming out with him showing the sign of ISIS as well. And moreover, the kind of materials that they are actually have used, it also becomes very clear that however that they were trying to actually master their skills as well. But I can see a lot of movements at this point in time, not sure when exactly that we will see the accused being produced as well. The security has been tightened up here. You can see the movements of the police as well, and the traffic police is also here. Now, any moment that both these accused will actually be entering this judicial block where the NIA is actually seeking
Right.
for the custody of the accused for the further investigation, because at this point in time the investigation is quite important, because we see how that their their activities have actually spread in the different parts of the South India, more specifically, because their presence also in a state like Karnataka, Chennai as well. So all that we will have to see. More importantly, now how many days of NIA officials will get the custody of these accused.
And with that